Hello, guys. Hope we're keeping safe. Hope we're keeping fit. It's Dr. Dune once again. I'm here to encourage us and to talk to us about exercise, the benefits of having a good exercise routine. You know, it's easier said than done, I know, but I believe it's attainable. If we put our hearts to it, it's attainable. Um, I know we all know some of the benefits of exercise, but I'm going to be talking to us about some of those benefits that doesn't readily come to mind, and I'm going to be reminding us of the ones that we probably already know. I know that when they talk about exercise, or when we talk about exercise, especially women, we talk about the fact that it helps us to look good, it helps to tone our muscle, it helps us to feel good, and all that. Yes, it's true. When you exercise regularly, you you get to burn excess fat, you get to tone up your muscle, you get to really look good and feel good about yourself. But there are some other benefits, health benefits to regular exercise. One of them is our mental health. Exercise has a long way to go, has a long way to influence our mental health. Studies have shown that exercise releases some hormones in the body that helps us to feel good about ourselves, have a good outlook about life, and we tend not to be on the downside, on the low side. It helps us to feel good, and it reduces our risk of coming down with mental disorders such as anxiety disorders, depression, and we we feel good about life, and we're not always downcasted. And of course, there are people that have the genetic predisposition to some of these health conditions. But the truth is that even when you have the predisposition, maybe you have family history of depression and all that, when you cultivate a good exercise routine, it actually helps, reduces your risk of coming down with those diseases, even though you have the family history of it, and exercise exercise has been shown to also prevent mental health conditions, even such as dementia. Dementia is commonly found in elderly people. Studies have shown that exercise helps to strengthen the neurons, so to speak, and reduces their rate of degeneration and all that. So exercise helps to prevent or reduce the risk of developing memory loss. It helps your mind to work sharp. It helps you thinking well. You get ideas. Imagine just you just had um, a session of exercise. You sweated, and you know and after having a shower, you sit. You just you just have ideas coming to your mind. Of course, maybe just one episode of exercise may not do this, but when you do it regularly, your body adjusts to it and you begin to see the results really fast. Secondly, exercise goes a long way to prevent a lot of chronic health conditions. For example, hypertension. Studies have shown that exercise reduces the risk of hypertension, and in those who already have hypertension, it reduces, it helps to control their blood pressure. There are people that are hypertensive, they're on drugs, and it looks as though the drugs are not working. But when they introduce lifestyle modifications such as exercise, they begin to see a lot of results. I've come in contact with patients middle-aged, elderly, young patients who have testified to this fact that when they started exercising, they saw a difference in their BP control. Also, exercise goes a long way to help in control of our blood sugar. For those who are diabetic, a regular exercise actually helps. It helps in blood sugar control. Also, a lot of cancers are prevented by regular exercise. For example, cancers involving the bowels, the intestine. So many cancers have been shown to, the risk of developing so many cancers have been shown to reduce just by having a regular exercise. So now we have mentioned exercise helping to improve our mental health, helping to prevent chronic health disease. Also, exercise helps to strengthen our bones, both for in children and in the elderly. You postmenopausal women, that is, women that have undergone menopause. Women like this are predisposed to what we call osteoporosis, whereby the bones are weak. Osteoporosis means like holes. So it looks like holes in the bones. So imagine the bones are perforated, kind of. You can be sure that that kind of bone won't be so strong and will be predisposed to fractures. So when we exercise, especially as we're getting older, it actually helps to increase the density of the bone and prevent fractures. Those fractures are called pathological fractures. Also, when we exercise goes a long way to help our immunity. Can you imagine that? If you're the type that you just like to lie down, just like to sleep, just like to chill on the couch, watch a movie, there's nothing bad in doing that. But you got to add exercise to it. It helps to build our immunity. So it's not just about eating good food. It's not just about using supplements. When you exercise, you are less prone to infection. You are able to you have a higher chance of fighting infections, fighting diseases when you do a regular exercise. Okay, also exercise. Can you imagine exercise actually helps your skin? So it's not just your cream, your body lotion, fruits and all that helps the skin, or good food. Exercise actually helps the skin to glow. Can you imagine that? Studies have shown that exercise releases some natural antioxidants that helps to prevent skin damage, that helps to protect the skin from dangerous factors such as the effect of UV light, ultraviolet lights. It also helps to increase the blood flow to the skin that actually helps to repair damaged cells, on the skin, and keeps your skin really healthy. Also, exercise can help you sleep. You've been having difficulty sleeping, you need to try exercise. Exercise has been shown to actually help you sleep better. Maybe you've been struggling with insomnia, try exercise. So these are the benefits I'm going to be talking about for today. For more videos on keeping fit, keeping healthy, subscribe to our channel. Just click on the button to subscribe so you can get more videos of staying healthy. Remember, your health is our priority, and I would always like to hear good news about you, about how you're doing well, how you're keeping fit, how you're keeping healthy. Stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.